following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At approximately 3:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Godzilla, the giant radioactive lizard that almost destroyed the United States, has returned, and he somehow went into the state of Pennsylvania without people even noticing him. Everyone in Pennsylvania, no matter where you live, get to an underground shelter immediately. Godzilla is using his atomic breath to burn down everything in his path. In addition, the last Godzilla attack was the Godzilla from 1954. Now, this one is from 1955 from the movie Godzilla Raids Again. Godzilla is currently in the Pittsburgh area and destroying buildings and burning them down. Stay tuned for information on this catastrophic situation. Civil danger warning for Philadelphia. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Philadelphia Police Department. At approximately 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Godzilla has reached Pennsylvania and New Jersey border and is attacking the Philadelphia metropolitan area. Godzilla is destroying buildings, burning down skyscrapers, and stepping on civilians. All residents for the city of Philadelphia must seek an underground shelter now. Do not head into a bathroom or closet. You will squashed by Godzilla. Stay tuned for information on this dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the New Jersey National Guard. At 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Godzilla has entered the state of New Jersey and is causing chaos across the entire state. Godzilla also has a loud roar that makes people go deaf. If you hear this roar, you will go deaf immediately. In addition, Godzilla is seen heading towards the New York City area. All residents in New York City get prepared because Godzilla may start his attack soon, and all residents in New Jersey must seek an underground shelter immediately. Stay tuned for information on this dangerous situation. immediate evacuation for Long Island and the New York metropolitan area. The following message is transmitted at the request of New York City Police Department, the United States government, and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Godzilla, the giant lizard monster that has terrorized Pennsylvania and New Jersey, has entered the New York City area. Godzilla has destroyed the One World Trade Center and the 9/11 Memorial. Godzilla has flooded most of the eastern United States. The United States government is coming up with solutions to stop this beast, but they don't want to launch another nuclear bomb to do so. Stay tuned for information on this dangerous situation. An administrative message. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. All clear. I repeat, all clear. Godzilla has went back into the ocean and has stopped mass chaos. The danger to residents is over. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. We will now return to regular programming.